Now walking.
Wait a minute now. Now, let me introduce this man. This is Berry, the greatest racehorse commentator.
And now racehorse, you know?
Not racehorse, by mistake.
But
Liquor commentator.
Many.
Alright, Berry. Your time.
It looks not so well, you know. I come in not so well right now. But 5 furlong is the distance. And the starter and the rostrum. Flag in his hand. And you wave the flag and let them go. Feel the level break indeed. Early on the far side is Red Stripe Bear. Heineken down in second position. Dragon Stout third. And wide of that one is Giz on the far side. Then behind them is Touch of Brandy. Then come Campari on the far outside. And the rest of them tight the bus now they come down. With a trainer for left to go now for the 2013 Heineken Trophy. Red Stripe the leader. Heineken on him on the outside. And these are the two up front now they come down without 2.5 left to go. He's Red Stripe on the inside, and the king on the outside, Touch of Brandy moving well, and the far side Campari in the middle of the track. It looks to be White and the improved. Then come Vodka, then come Condiment, and the rest of them absolutely behind them is now they come to the 2 furlong marker. Red Stripe right against the red, and the king on the outside, Touch of Brandy, and passing through the pack now is White as they come down for the church run. A 1 furlong left to go now, and it's Red Stripe from Heineken. And White in the middle of the tractor, and the outside Touch of Brandy coming through, but it's White all the way there, half a furlong left to go, and it's White if it is the pull away from Red Stripe, and it's in the front side, Touch of Brandy and Campari, and by the back to the Tudor. Many.
You're taking more than one. Hey, you're the police.
What is life? Hey, what kind of racehorse you are about?
We are racehorse.